Insurance. Today we want to introduce you to the wider world of protection, why you might need it and how it could help you. We'll also give you an idea of what's available. This should help you have a useful discussion with your financial advisor. Take some time to think about the things you spend money on. Write down your monthly income and outgoings so you can talk with your advisor. Now think about what would happen if you became ill and were unable to work, got a serious illness, or if you passed away. Unless you have substantial savings, it's likely that even with state benefits, you or your family would have to make some big cutbacks to cope with the change in income. You might even find it a struggle to pay all the bills. Lots of us already insure our pet, mobile phone, or other belongings against unexpected costs. But protecting ourselves and our families against the financial impacts of illness, injury or death should be equally important. There are three main products that make up protection, and you can work with your advisor to decide the best mix of these for you, your budget, and what matters most to your family. The first type of protection we'll talk about is income protection. Your outgoings wouldn't stop if your income did. When you make a successful claim, income protection pays a proportion of your income each month if you're medically unable to work because of illness or injury. This will usually work around how long you'll get sick pay from your job. Three of the most commonly claimed conditions are mental health, musculoskeletal problems, and cancer. Income protection is designed to help you continue to meet your essential outgoings as normal while you're unable to do your job, and allow you to focus on your recovery without worrying about rushing back to work. There are several choices that you and your advisor can make together based on your needs. These include how much you could receive each month, for how long, and when you could receive the payments. The second type of protection we want to talk about is critical illness cover, which is designed to help support you and your family financially while you deal with your diagnosis and treatment. It's there to help you focus on your recovery without worrying about how the bills will be paid. You can choose how long you want the policy to last and the amount of money you're covered for. Critical illness cover can sometimes be bought with life insurance or be taken out by itself. When your claim is successful and you've survived for a set number of days, it usually pays out a lump sum. At this point, your cover will generally end. You'll be paid when you're diagnosed, when the condition gets to a certain level, or you start named treatments or surgeries. Some companies will let you adapt your critical illness cover, including being able to add more conditions for an extra cost. Many policies will also cover you for less serious conditions, paying out a set amount of money whilst letting you keep your cover in place. Each insurer will have their own rules about when they'll pay a claim, and most will provide some cover for children too. Finally, let's talk about life insurance. Life insurance is there to make sure that if you die, your family have a financial safety net to fall back on. With term life insurance, many people choose to take cover that lasts until they've paid off their mortgage. Others pick the time they plan on retiring or when their children will be financially independent. You and your advisor will decide on how much money you want your family to receive if you pass away. You'll only receive a payout if you die during the term of the policy. A lot of life insurance policies will also cover terminal illness, which means that if you have a life expectancy of, for example, 12 months or less, you may be able to claim the money before you die. When thinking about the type of protection you need, it's important that you look at how these three types of cover can work together to help protect you and your loved ones, whether it's due to you being unable to work, developing a critical illness, or passing away. Just as your life changes, your protection needs may too. Your advisor can help you consider all your options in your appointment. Please be aware that none of these products usually have a cash-in value at any time. For more information, speak to your financial advisor.